Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so you can see all the upcoming videos. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know, okay, so what I had issues with a part I ordered offline. Then I had to wait for the money to come back, so I'm finally just getting the money back. I've been dealing with the weather too, to working on this car. Like, I haven't been able to do nothing. We've dealt with snow for 2 days, and then cold and windy, just awful for working on a vehicle. Just too windy, I wouldn't be able to talk to the video. It just wouldn't, it didn't make no sense to even do it. Plus, I didn't have the part. So here we are today. We're still dealing with this weather, with the wind. Hopefully it's going to give up in the next couple of days. But what my plan is today, folks, is I need to go wash my truck. If we take a look at it, you can see it out there, my truck. It needs to be washed. And so does the wife's car. Maybe we should wash hers too. But the reason why I want to wash it is not because it's not going to get dirty again. It's definitely going to get dirty again, but I'd like to get some of the dirt off it so I don't destroy it, right? Because, leaving dirt on your vehicle will eat away at the body eventually, right? Eventually it's going to wear down the paint and eat away at the body, and that's not what I want to do. Even though I'm probably not going to keep that truck forever, I like the truck, but I hate it at the same time, folks. I bought it secondhand. I shouldn't say secondhand. I bought it used, right? It had, what did it have on it when I bought it? I think 75,000 kilometers or something. Which isn't a lot. Which isn't a lot at all. But I think the problem is whoever had it before me just didn't do the maintenance to it, right? I've already, if you watch one of my videos back, I'll put a link at the end of this video, but if you watch one of my videos at the, I ended up having to do the rear end fluid myself, because it wasn't done, right? And they wanted to do it at, I forget, Mr. Lube or whatever, one of those places I went to get my oil changed. They're like, yeah, you need to change your back fluid. I was like, yeah, I'll do it myself. They wanted, what did they want? I think they wanted like $110 to do it. I think it was $60 for the fluid. So, I could have got them to do it, but then I wouldn't have content for you, my viewers of YouTube. So, with that said, let's go get in the truck, go give it a wash. Alright, folks, so I just got in the truck here, and we are heading to go to the car wash now. I got the young fella with me. He wants to come. He likes the car wash too. I'm going to put him to work. No.
I'm not going to work.
No. Yeah. So we're actually just around the corner from it, so it's not very far. We'll get there and I gotta get some money first, but I don't think the car wash has ATM machine, so we'll have to see here. All right, we'll see you in a sec. All right, folks, so we just come out of the car wash there. Unfortunately, I could not record while I was doing it because this car wash, I'll never go to it again, but it was convenient at the time. But they basically, what they do is they just turn it on, and then you pay for however long you're there, right? So it's $1 a minute basically. So for every minute I'm washing my truck and recording, I'm getting paid, or I'm getting charged for it. To do the video, I would need someone to hold the camera. Plus, I'd have to, there'd be so much that it just wouldn't, it would take too long, and I'm not about to, pay all kinds of money for a car wash. I was like 10.5 minutes there or something.
Hey, I showed it. I was there.
So. What, buddy?
Once I hold it, I
Yeah, I don't know.
And I was back there.
Yeah. So anyways, I got the car wash here. Oh, jeez. Come on, buddy. Move that there garbage truck. So what was I saying, folks? Sorry. Got sidetracked with that garbage truck. But yeah, it would have cost me something like $30 to do it, because I probably would have been there 30 minutes doing the recording and everything. So once we get back here, we'll take a look and see how clean it looks. I actually didn't do a picture before, so I can't show you that on there. I haven't even got a seatbelt on. Ding, 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 ding.
Daddy, I don't see belts. So
Yeah, you got your seatbelt on, buddy. You always have your seatbelt on.
why you don't?
So let's get parked here, folks, and we'll take a look and see how clean she come out. All right, folks, there we go. That looks a lot better. See, still some snow, right? But you look at her, she looks good. Back of her looks good. All cleaned up, shining, looking way better, way better. So, when we get the young fella out, that makes a big difference when you clean it. What, don't you think? Don't you think it looks better now?
Nah.
No? All right.
You
Be right back, folks. Alright, folks, so we are out at the Honda Civic now. I had to stop myself to figure out what the hell I would call this. Excuse my language, but I was going to call it CRV, right? Because I'm so used to the CRV. But anyways, we are out here now. I just figured I'd fire this up. I had to put some garbage out. And, no, it's, she fires right up, man. Like, it's been sitting out here for a week now. I mean, I've been out, what? I don't know, a couple days ago. I guess it was last time I was out at this car was, well, you guys would have seen the last video. That was the last day I was out at the car, basically because the weather's just been terrible. So I haven't been able to get out here. I mean, it's still pretty cold out here today. I don't know if you heard the wind when I was outside there earlier or not, but man, it is windy. It is windy. So, anyways, folks, with that said, I thank you for watching another one of my videos. If you like this, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. Right? It goes a long way if you give it that thumbs up. That helps me out. Plus, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, because there's going to be a lot of stuff going to happen here in the future with me building cars. I actually looked online at doing the rear end of this car for the body that needs to be done. Actually, I'll get out and show you this right quick, folks, for you who haven't seen yet. Let's I've actually looked online now, and I'm gonna do it myself. Oh, I did the wrong thing. I pushed instead of pull. Yeah, sorry. I looked online, and I'm gonna do it myself, folks. Right? As you can see, this here part is what needs to be done. I am going to do the work myself. I've already checked it out, seen how to do it, and I can do it myself. So with that said, I will be doing it myself. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Destination Trucker out.